Hi, I'm Mubashir Nazar. I am getting questions from my viewers. They want to know who mentioned their name on their LinkedIn profile. In this video, I will show you how to check your LinkedIn mentions, whether someone tagged you in a post or in a comment or in a conversation. You will learn how to find and respond to their mentions. So first of all, you just need to open your LinkedIn profile, and after this you just need to click on notification, and after this you just need to click on mentions, and now you can see that LinkedIn will show you the pages of all the posts, articles, videos and comments, and all the people that mention your name in comments or in a post. And now you can see that you just need to open from here and you can reply the people. Now you can see that I already done this one, and now you can see that more. You just need to click on mention, and from here LinkedIn show all the people and all the posts who mentioned your name. They can also mention your name in a comment section, in a post description, post content. So different way people can mention your name, and from here you can check who mentioned you, and you can also reply the people who mentioned you. Hope you understand how to see who mentioned you on your LinkedIn profile. And if you have any question related to this, then I'm available here. You can also comment me, so I will try my best to reply you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video.